Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about IELTS reading, section 1, particularly the task where you are given 5 short extracts and 6 corresponding statements where you need to figure out which statement corresponds to which text. Since we have 5 texts and 6 statements, it means that one text refers to more than one statement. Okay, so my advice, first of all, read the texts separately. And after having read, try to figure out which text corresponds to which statement. For example, read text A and then try to find out which statement or statements out of the 6 correspond to the first text. I have already read the text and the corresponding statements, thus I'm directly going to start with the statements. Now, let's read the statements one by one and then try to find out the answers in the text. 1. This pupil is interested in the subject despite the way it is taught. Okay? So, still enjoys the subject. However, there is something that the student does not like. Let's have a look at the text D. Here it says, so the teacher is very knowledgeable, though I think we spent too much time listening to her. So she still enjoys it, but prefers something else. 2. This pupil is hoping to have a career that makes use of the subject. So something that is related to career, to let's say the future application of the knowledge. So let's see. Text B. My plan is to study history at university and maybe go into the diplomatic service so I can apply a knowledge of history. Here we go. Question 3. This pupil finds the subject harder than expected. Now, text C. When I started doing it at school, I didn't think I'd have any problem with it, but I was quite wrong. So the student was sure that the subject was quite easy, but he was mistaken. 4. This pupil finds the lessons very entertaining. Now let's see which text says exactly the same or paraphrases. Text E. Our teacher gets us to do lots of fun things, so there's no risk of getting bored. Number 5. This pupil appreciates the benefit of doing challenging work. So in the text we may find the information which might be related to something extra, maybe extra homework, but the student enjoys it. Now we can see it in the text A and the sentence here. Mr. Peckham really pushes us and offers us extra assignments to help us improve. That's good for me because otherwise I'd be quite lazy. And the last one, number 6. This pupil has realized the connection between two things. So we should have two things that are interconnected. Again, so we've used each of the text once and there has to be one which will be repeated, and in our case this is text B, and here she says, my plan is to study, again it's the same, history at university, so this is one thing, and I can apply a knowledge of history, so this is the second thing. So this is the way this task is done. I hope you've enjoyed it, although it has continuation, section 2. However, I'm going to talk about it later in the following video. So thank you.